Welcome back to Brutology. Today we are stepping into a world so luxurious, so unbelievably extravagant, that it feels like something designed for royalty from another planet. Imagine a motorhome. Not just any motorhome, but a 100-floor, Pure Diamond Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. 100 floors of moving architectural brilliance, wrapped in shimmering diamond elegance, redefining what ultimate luxury truly means. From the outside, this masterpiece looks like a futuristic skyscraper on wheels. Its body is crafted with reinforced transparent diamond panels layered over aerospace-grade titanium. Under sunlight, it sparkles like a moving galaxy. At night, integrated LED crystal lighting makes it glow softly, turning highways into red carpet runways. Every angle reflects precision engineering and artistic perfection. This is not just transportation, it's a statement of power, innovation, and limitless wealth. As the massive hydraulic steps unfold and the doors open, automatically with facial recognition, you step into the grand lobby. Yes, a lobby inside a motorhome. The first floor alone feels like a 7-star hotel reception. Diamond chandeliers hang from a triple-height ceiling. The flooring is polished white marble infused with subtle crystal textures. A holographic AI concierge greets you by name, ready to control everything from climate to security with a simple voice command. A private panoramic glass elevator stands in the center, connecting all 100 floors. It moves silently, offering a breathtaking vertical journey through luxury. Each floor is dedicated to a different experience, carefully designed to create the most extraordinary mobile lifestyle ever imagined. The lower floors are dedicated to entertainment and social experiences. There's a private cinema with reclining diamond-stitched leather seats, surround sound that feels like a live orchestra, and walls embedded with light-reflecting crystals. Next is a grand dining hall with a 40-seat, floating table crafted from a single slab of rare crystal stone. A robotic chef system prepares Michelin-star meals using ingredients stored in a climate-controlled vault. Moving higher, you enter the wellness sanctuary. There's a full spa with gold-infused steam rooms, a diamond-tiled infinity pool that extends outward when parked, and a state-of-the-art gym with AI-powered personal training systems. The walls display virtual landscapes from Swiss Alps to tropical beaches, transforming workouts into immersive experiences. Several floors are dedicated entirely to fashion and luxury collections. Imagine a walk-in wardrobe the size of a luxury boutique. Temperature-controlled jewelry vaults display rare watches and diamond necklaces under museum-grade lighting. Automated glass cabinets rotate your outfit selections at a voice command. Every detail whispers exclusivity. Midway up the structure, there's a private office floor designed for billionaires who never stop working. A floating crystal desk sits in the center with panoramic, digital screen surrounding it. Encrypted satellite internet ensures global connectivity anywhere on Earth. A private boardroom allows confidential meetings while traveling at highway speeds. Higher floors are reserved for relaxation and personal living quarters. The master suite spans 3 entire floors. The bedroom features a levitating bed platform, surrounded by adjustable ambient lighting that matches your mood. Smart glass walls can turn transparent for panoramic views or opaque for privacy. The bathroom is carved from a single block of rare white stone, featuring diamond-studded faucets and a rainfall shower that feels like liquid silk. Above the master suite, there's a sky lounge with a 360-degree viewing dome. Whether you're parked beside the ocean or overlooking a mountain range, this floor offers uninterrupted views of the horizon. A crystal piano stands elegantly in the corner. In the ceiling projects a real-time star map at night. Security in this motorhome is beyond military grade. Bulletproof diamond composite glass, biometric access on every floor, drone surveillance systems, and an AI defense network ensure complete safety. It's designed to protect not just wealth but legacy. Now let's talk about engineering. Moving a 100-floor motorhome requires revolutionary technology. Beneath its glamorous exterior lies a multi-axle, autonomous driving system powered by a hybrid fusion energy engine. Advanced gyroscopic stabilizers keep it balanced even at higher speeds. When parked, hydraulic foundations extend into the ground for perfect stability, transforming it into a vertical luxury tower. Sustainability hasn't been ignored. Solar crystal panels integrated into the diamond exterior generate clean energy. Water recycling systems purify and reuse every drop. Smart climate control optimizes energy consumption across all 100 floors. It's not just powerful, it's intelligent. The rooftop, which is the 100th floor, is the ultimate crown jewel. A private helipad unfolds when stationary. There's also an open-air diamond lounge with transparent flooring, giving the illusion of floating above the world. A temperature-controlled garden grows rare exotic plants, creating a peaceful escape at the very top. This motorhome isn't just about comfort. It's about rewriting reality. It eliminates the need for private jets, yachts, and luxury villas because it combines them all into one unstoppable moving palace. You can wake up by the beaches of Monaco, have lunch overlooking the Scottish Highlands, and fall asleep under the northern lights, all without ever unpacking your suitcase. But beyond the diamonds and advanced technology, what truly makes this motorhome extraordinary is freedom. The freedom to carry your entire empire with you. The freedom to redefine travel. The freedom to live without limits. Of course, something this extraordinary comes with an unimaginable price tag. Experts estimate a value beyond several $billion, considering the materials, engineering, and exclusive craftsmanship involved. But for ultra-high net worth, individuals who seek uniqueness beyond traditional luxury, price becomes secondary to vision. This 100-floor Pure Diamond Motorhome is not built for everyone. It's built for visionaries, for those who see roads not as paths.